These are the questions.
What time did they go to bed and what time did they get up? Our parents went to bed between 9 or 10 p.m. Our grandparents got up between 6:30 and 8. Sorry. Our parents went to bed at 9 p.m. Our parents get up between 7 and 7:30.
What did they eat during the day? Our grandparents, for breakfast, they ate bread, cereals, pastries or biscuits. For the lunch, they ate bread, soup, or they ate in the school lunch hall. And the dinner, potatoes with vegetables and meat or something with egg. Our parents eat for breakfast bread or pork rye, lunch bread or pork rye, and to dinner, potatoes with vegetables and meat or pasta.
What was the daily activity? Our grandparents went to school, did sport or made homework. Our parents went to school and after that they went swimming or played gymnastics and made their homework.
What was their free time activity? The parents helped the parents on the farm or something. Or they played sports or met their friends. Grandparents played sports or helped their parents.
In conclusion, so we can say there is not much change in the lifestyle of the people over the last 60 years. The only country is the different food that they eat.